The East India Trading Company made Bombay their headquarters. They had built a fort around part of the city. And so, that's what they depicted on this picture on the wall there. The fort was pulled down in 1860s. And this area is still called the fort area. Now, few people probably know why it's still called the fort area. But this is all part.
This is the gateway of India from the other side, but the gate is locked, as it always is. We're headed out to Elephanta Caves. There is a whole fleet of boats here, and I assume that most of them are going to Elephanta Caves. It's about an hour away. Well, so we're leaving the pier. Here's our ship from the water, and next to it is this beautiful French ship that we first saw in Cochin, La Straw. Very pretty ship. Smaller than ours for sure. We are approaching Elephanta Island. Yes, these guys are fishing. Well, it looks like they're bailing water out of their boat. Back to the island. 1,200 people that live here. And we're their source of income. Here's where we're going to dock. And then we'll get on a little tram for part of the way. I've headed up the stairs. I'm glad to see that it's shaded, and some people can go that way. They don't have any customers yet, though. But of course we have to run the gauntlet as usual. Well, I did make it. I wasn't the last, but close to it.
I guess because you arrived because it's colored.
It's colored, I think.
He opened that bottle in Licky's drinking. Mother and baby.
Well, what about mom and the baby?
Now he's opened the second one. And it's definitely daddy here. We had visual confirmation.
As you have seen, we've got monkeys, cows, goats, all sorts of other animals, but no elephants. The reason this island got its name was because when the Portuguese came here, they didn't land on the side where we were. They came to the other side of the island. There used to be a statue of a stone elephant. And so they said Elephanta, Elephanta, and that's how the name came to be.
Now we're leaving this island.
Today was busy, tomorrow being a Sunday would even be busier. And Elephanta very, very busy, especially in the afternoon. Because a lot of locals usually go there in the afternoon.